Hey there, Junk the Jams fans. Well, we got one for you today. Today, you know, we got the beast up here, and we're working on it. We're trying to get everything going. We just bought some new lug nuts for her because we had a few that were getting pretty bad. So today we got all the tires off of her, and I want y'all to take a close look at these rims. So if you have rims that look like these on a stock Chevy, you can see how bad these things look. See all that corrosion around the edges and all that. So if your rims look as bad as these, today I'm going to show you how to solve that problem. Okay, so you can see one over here that we started on a little bit, so it doesn't look too bad, but it's not as good as I'd liked it. Basically, I just took my little sandblaster here and I tried to work on it a little bit with a sandblaster, but sandblaster just really wasn't getting it. It was just taking entirely too much silica to get it right. So I'm going to show you what I've come up with here, and it seems to be working very, very well. So I'm going to show you, and we'll be right back. Okay, so you got a couple minutes of that there to kind of give you an idea of what we're doing, but I wanted to show you what else we were doing here. If you can see this little white stuff right here, okay, this is what we're taking all of this off right here, and it's the coating that's on these wheels. So once you get them down so far, you can basically get all that coating off. You can see some right there. You can get all that coating off of there, and you can pretty much turn these into polished aluminum wheels if you like. Or you can do what I'm doing, and I'm going to paint them black like the one you've seen earlier. Basically the theme of the truck is all white and black here. So that's what we're working on. I mean, granted, she's an 03, so eventually I will get the few little dings and dents painted and little stuff like that, kind of tighten it up. But she will be pretty. But I just wanted to show y'all how to do these rims, because I have tried, like I said, I have tried sandblasting. I've tried a little bit of chemical, and none of it seems to be working other than just a plain old wire wheel like this seems to be working the best. Yes, it's a little bit of work, but I'm here to tell you, a little bit of work ain't killed nobody, especially to save yourself $1,000. So get that money. All right, Junk the Gym style, get that money. All right, guys, I'm gonna do a little bit more on this one for today. I've got to go to work in Tampa tomorrow, so I will bring you back here soon when we get ready to do the rest of them. All right, until then, stay tuned. Okay, folks. Alright, folks, so here's what I've learned. This is something I've just tried, and a minute ago I showed you, this is what was working. So the way I see it, junk to gems, turn some junk into gems. For basically, I could spend about $1,200 and get all brand new wheels for this that look perfect, everything, but they only come in that coated stuff. So if a dog decides to do his thing on your wheel, like they all do, so this is what happens to them, because we've got 5 puppies, as y'all know, and this is what will happen to them. So basically, I've ordered another set of these wheels of all different styles, so that we can I can do this much more efficiently. This is just one I had laying around. So well, in fact, there's Amazon right there, so maybe we'll get lucky.
Yeah. What grit are they?
Yeah, those are a lot better, aren't they?
Hey, what grit are they?
I don't know.
Do they say? I was just curious which one's rough and which one's coarse and all that. What they say on the.
Doesn't say.
That's weird. It
You would
says-
think. Yeah, you would think it would give you some kind of clue.
Yeah, which one's first and which one's last. Because obviously they're different color for a reason.
Yeah.
Which one's the coarsest? You can probably feel it. Maybe. That blue is definitely more coarse than the purple. The purple's finer. Because they got bigger holes. They got wider part holes. Let me see that black one. Let me see the black.
It's hard to tell.
I know, but let me see the black one. Here. Right here. The purple's the medium. The blue's the coarsest, and the black's the finest.
All right, let's try the black then. See if I can. Because this is taking the scratches out just like really nice.
This black should take it finer than that because it's less dense. That's the finest one. Purple's medium, blue's hard. Deep penetration.
Hey Gary, those are not wild
Maybe they're not.
because you can see that when Denny has actually had a rose bush there, a rose of
Somebody planted
potted plants right beside it.
Really? I've never seen them before.
Yeah, you can see the wood and everything
it. Oh, where they did it from the first time?
from the first time.
Yeah,
Okay.
cool.
I had no idea because I'd never seen them. I've been out here, so somebody must have done that before you moved here then.
Yeah, they just started to grow. So,
Try a little spot that you already did with the purple one and see if it goes finer. Make it tinier and less. Yeah, like that. See? Stop. Feel it. Feel the metal. Whoa, what happened? You see it bite you? And you just get it. So you see here? Yeah, see that's rough. That's shinier. That's definitely lighter. It's taking it on down. Shine it. Shine it going up. See the difference? Absolutely. That's your last stage is the black one. Yeah. For sure. It's really making it nice.